Some cars sell well for a reason. They deliver on performance, reliability, and value in ways that keep people coming back year after year. Today, we're looking at the three best-selling cars in America right now. 2024 Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has been America's best-selling sedan for decades, and 2024 is no exception. Why? Because it perfectly balances reliability, comfort, and value. Under the hood, you can choose between a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder or a smooth, powerful 3.5-liter V6 that makes highway driving a breeze. The interior is roomy, with soft touch materials and an infotainment system that's easy to use, something buyers love, especially those who want tech that just works. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus comes standard, giving you adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. And here's the big reason it sells. The Camry doesn't just look good on the showroom floor, it holds its value like few other cars. That means buyers know they're getting something that will still be worth money years down the road with minimal repair headaches. 2024 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to crush the compact SUV segment, and the 2024 model is one of the most refined yet. Honda nailed the formula: a spacious interior, excellent fuel economy, and bulletproof reliability. Families love the rear legroom and cargo space, while commuters appreciate the smooth ride and great visibility. It comes standard with Honda sensing safety features. Plus, you can choose between a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine or the ultra-efficient hybrid version, which gets over 40 miles per gallon in the city. In a world where gas prices keep climbing, that's a big selling point. People also love how the CR-V feels solid and premium without being overpriced. That's why it's flying off dealer lots faster than almost any other SUV in America right now. 2024 Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's an American icon. For more than 40 years, it's been the best-selling vehicle in the country, and 2024 keeps the streak alive. Ford offers a truck for every buyer, from the work-ready XL to the luxurious Platinum and the off-road Beast Raptor. The engine lineup is massive: V6, V8, turbocharged EcoBoost, hybrid, and even the all-electric Lightning. Whether you're hauling, towing, or just cruising around town, there's an F-150 for you. Buyers love the versatility: massive bed options, clever storage solutions, and a cabin that feels as nice as some luxury SUVs. Plus, Ford's reputation for truck toughness keeps loyal customers coming back. 2024 Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has been dominating the compact SUV market for years, and 2024 just keeps that momentum going. Buyers love it because it's practical, efficient, and built like a tank. The standard 2.5-liter engine is solid, but the hybrid version is the real star, delivering incredible fuel economy while still feeling peppy on the road. Inside, the RAV4 offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo, plus Toyota's easy-to-use infotainment system. Standard safety features and an excellent resale value seal the deal. This SUV isn't just a purchase, it's a smart investment, and that's why it's one of America's best sellers. 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If Ford owns the title for best-selling truck overall, Chevy isn't far behind with the Silverado 1500. It's the go-to choice for people who want power, capability, and style in one package. With multiple engine options, including a strong Duramax diesel, it can tow and haul with the best of them. Chevy also offers a range of trims, from basic work trucks to high-end luxury models like the High Country. The interior is comfortable, tech-filled, and functional, making it a favorite for both work and play. Silverado loyalty runs deep, and 2024 is keeping fans happy. 2024 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is proof that pickup trucks can be both tough and comfortable. Its ride quality is one of the best in the truck world, thanks to its coil spring suspension. And the interior, especially in higher trims, is luxury car level. Engine choices range from the efficient V6 to the powerful HEMI V8, plus a mild hybrid system for better fuel economy. Ram has nailed the balance between utility and comfort, making it a hit with families and workers alike. No wonder it's one of the top sellers in America right now. 2024 Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y isn't just an electric SUV. It's the best-selling EV in America and one of the best-selling vehicles overall. Why? Because it hits that sweet spot between futuristic tech, everyday usability, and strong performance. With up to 330 miles of range on a single charge and lightning-quick acceleration, the Model Y proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up excitement. The dual-motor all-wheel drive versions handle all kinds of weather with ease, while the minimalist interior feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. One big reason it sells so well is the Tesla supercharger network. It's still the most reliable and widely available fast-charging infrastructure in the US. Plus, over-the-air software updates mean your car keeps getting better over time, something no gas car can match. For tech lovers, commuters, and eco-conscious drivers, the Model Y is the no-brainer choice, and that's why it's dominating sales charts. 2024 Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a household name for decades, and the 2024 model shows why people keep coming back to it. The combination of comfort, efficiency, and rock-solid reliability makes it a go-to for families and commuters alike. Under the hood, you can choose between a responsive turbocharged 1.5-liter or a fuel-sipping hybrid system that gets over 50 miles per gallon in the city. Inside, you get a roomy cabin with top-notch materials, plus Honda's latest infotainment system, with a crisp touchscreen and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The Accord also nails the little details: comfortable seating for long trips, excellent outward visibility, and a suspension that soaks up bumps without feeling floaty. These aren't flashy features, but they're exactly what make people buy the Accord again and again. It's a car you can trust for 300,000 miles, and that's why it's one of the top sellers in America. 2024 Toyota Corolla. If there's one name in the auto world that's practically synonymous with reliability, it's the Toyota Corolla. The 2024 model continues that tradition, offering incredible fuel economy, affordable pricing, and durability that's second to none. Available in both sedan and hatchback forms, the Corolla comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, or an efficient hybrid setup. The ride is comfortable, the interior is well built, and Toyota packs in standard safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Buyers love it because it's a car that asks for so little, but gives back so much. It's easy to maintain, holds its value well, and works just as well for new drivers as it does for retirees looking for something dependable. That's why the Corolla keeps landing on the bestseller list year after year. 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee sells big because it offers something few other SUVs can match: serious off-road ability combined with upscale comfort. In 2024, it's available with multiple trims, from the rugged Trailhawk to the luxurious Summit Reserve. Engine choices include a 3.6-liter V6, a powerful 5.7-liter Hemi V8, and even a plug-in hybrid 4xe model for those who want capability with better efficiency. Inside, the Grand Cherokee feels premium, with high-quality materials, a modern infotainment system, and plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It's the kind of SUV that works just as well for a night out in the city as it does for a weekend in the mountains. That dual personality keeps it on the sales charts year after year. 2024 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has gone from being a decent budget SUV to one of the most desirable models in the entire compact SUV market, and the 2024 version proves why people are buying it in record numbers. First, the styling. Hyundai completely redesigned the Tucson a couple of years ago, and it still turns heads today. The sharp lines, bold grille, and distinctive LED lighting make it look far more upscale than its price tag suggests. Many buyers have even compared it to luxury brands in terms of design. Under the hood, you've got three choices: the standard gas engine, a fuel-sipping hybrid, and a plug-in hybrid that lets you drive short distances on electric power alone. This variety means the Tucson appeals to a huge audience: commuters who want efficiency, families who want space, and eco-conscious buyers who want to cut their fuel bills. Inside is where Hyundai really surprises people. The cabin is roomy, comfortable, and loaded with tech. Even base models come with a big touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a full suite of safety features like lane keeping assist and forward collision warning. In higher trims, you'll find premium touches like leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and even ventilated front seats, features you'd expect on vehicles costing much more. And let's not forget Hyundai's famous warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. For buyers, that's peace of mind you just don't get from many competitors. Combine that with great reliability ratings and an affordable price, and you can see why the Tucson is selling like crazy right now. 2024 Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback isn't just a vehicle, it's an icon of versatility in the American car market. For decades, it's been the go-to choice for people who want a car that can do everything: handle city streets, haul camping gear, drive through snowstorms, and still look respectable in a downtown parking garage. The 2024 model keeps that tradition alive while adding modern touches that make it even more appealing. One of the biggest reasons people flock to the Outback is its standard all-wheel drive. This isn't the part-time system you find on some competitors. It's Subaru's symmetrical AWD, designed to keep power balanced between all four wheels for maximum grip at all times. Whether you're driving on icy winter roads in Minnesota or muddy trails in Colorado, the Outback just grips and goes. Combine that with 8.7 inches of ground clearance, and you've got an SUV that can handle terrain most crossovers wouldn't dare attempt. Under the hood, you've got two solid engine choices. The base 2.5-liter flat-4 engine is known for its reliability and balance. It's not the fastest, but it's more than enough for daily driving. If you want extra punch, the 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 delivers 260 horsepower and makes highway merging a breeze. Despite its power, fuel economy remains competitive, making it a smart choice for both city drivers and long-distance travelers. Inside, the Outback is a masterclass in practicality and comfort. The seats are designed for long-haul comfort, with excellent cushioning and support. Subaru also thought about small details, like wide-opening doors for easy entry, a low lift-over height for the trunk, and roof rails that flip up into crossbars when you need them. Tech-wise, the available 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen feels straight out of a luxury car, handling everything from navigation to entertainment. Safety is another area where the Outback shines. Subaru's EyeSight driver. Assist technology comes standard, giving you adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic pre-collision braking. It's not just a feature for convenience, it's peace of mind for every trip. And perhaps the biggest reason people love the Outback? Longevity. It's common to see Outbacks from the early 2000s still running strong with 250,000 miles or more. When you buy one, you're investing in a vehicle that's ready to stick with you for the long haul, whether that means years of road trips, outdoor adventures, or just the daily grind.